बेंगलुरु रे ड्रग्स बेपारी को काबू करने पुलिस जारी रखी तलाशी अभियान। बेंगलुरु सिटी पुलिस द्वारा गत 2 सप्ताह धरी बड़ धरणर तलाशी अभियान जारी रही। पुलिस नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो पक्षर विभिन्न टीम करी यह अभियान में लगी। राज्य में निशा बेपार और निशा बेपारी को कौनसी मते बर्दास्त करा नाही बोली राज्य सरकार निर्देश दे सारी। गत मासरे बेंगलुरु समेत राज्यर विभिन्न स्थान में चढ़ाऊ कर 28 जन को गिरफ्त कर केवल सेतिक नुहे एनसीबी टीम और पुलिस दिन रातिर ऑपरेशन रे निषिद्ध एमडीएमए टैबलेट एलएसडी स्ट्रिप स्टेरॉइड सह हेरोइन ब्राउन सुगर और विपुल परिमाण गंजेई जबत करा जायछि।
As a part of a week-long drive, Bangalore City Police from East and Southeast Division have been able to seize various drugs worth more than 1.5 crores. 28 drug peddlers have been arrested in this connection, and from East Division we have been able to seize 1100 LSD strips, 980 MDMA ecstasy tablets, 450 grams of MDMA crystal, and small quantities of brown sugar, weed oil and ganja. From Southeast Division we have been able to arrest 17 persons, and we have seized 3 cars and 3 two-wheelers, more than which we have also been able to seize around 187 kilograms of ganja and hydro ganja, also 492 grams of MDMA and small quantities of cocaine, MDMA tablets, LSD, etc. The investigation in all these cases is continued, and we are hopeful that we will be able to arrest the major kingpins in all these cases. Thank you.
So with the arrest that you have made here, are you going to make a impact in eradicating drug menace in Bangalore?
We definitely hope to do so. As I said, these are continuing operations. It does not stop here. We will come back to you.
How is the morale of the police, and how has been the support from the government?
The government has stood by us rock solid.
Okay.
We have got all the support, and the morale is definitely high, and we will be able to bring more of these culprits to book.
So, Home Minister had said there will be zero tolerance against this menace. How do you feel on this issue?
Yeah, you can see, I mean, more than us talking, we are walking the show.
Okay.